Hey, how's it going? You guys saw by the title and my thumbnail. So pretty much we're going in today. As you can see, this is my real hair. I'm not wearing a wig today. My hair is so long now and it's so healthy, so now is the perfect time to damage it. No, seriously. Okay, I just have been seeing this trend, which was the bleached bangs, and I thought it was so cute. And then I got on Pinterest and just found all these inspo pics. I just decided that I want those cute bangs. So that's what we're doing today. So yeah, I just pounded a Red Bull. I'm getting my bleach together and let's just do it. Let's just do it. Gosh. Okay. Get ready. 2. So we would do 3. Cheers to hopefully no regrets. Okay. Gosh. Okay. First, let's see where I want. Gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay. Seems fair. Push in this way. My hair is a bit uneven. Oh my goodness. How much hair to grab? Yeah, it's literally just the bangs. Just the bangs. If I want to do more, we can do more. Yep, okay. Just trying to see. Okay. This seems like a lot, but I just have a lot of hair, so I think this is good. I have the bangs. Okay, no, for real. Okay, I have the bangs. This video might not even make it to the internet because I might regret this, but I have a feeling that I will not. So let's just get it. Okay, so I have the pieces that I've chosen. Now for the dirty work. I'm sorry, hair, if I really f*** this up. Oh my god, I can like hear it sizzling. Ah! I just dropped some on the floor. Okay. I have so many baby hairs, I don't know if I want to bleach those though. Look how long my bangs are. Okay, I don't think that's right, but I'm going back. Jesse's gonna get home and be like, what the f are you doing? I already told him that I wanted to do this, and his face was literally priceless. He knew that I was crazy. Okay, so my camera stopped recording. I don't even know at what time, but we're here. I need to set the timer. 20 to 30 minutes. Let's do, I always want to go the full 30, but I also don't want my hair to burn off. So let's set a timer for, let's do 20 minutes. And we'll come check and see how it's doing. And then if not, we can do like 5 more minutes. BRB. So I'm gonna wash this off and I think put some more because it's a disaster. Yeah, I look like a flaming hot Cheeto. I rinsed them out, blow dried them, did another layer, but now I'm gonna rinse them out before my hair falls off. This is what it's looking like. It's a hot mess, but I'm going in with the purple shampoo right now. I'm not mad at it. I'm just laughing because I box dye my hair black and when I do, I make sure that the front of my face is the area where I apply the most box dye because I want it to be like really black. Now look at me just bleaching the fuck out of my bangs. So this is what I was expecting was gonna happen. But I'm honestly just surprised that we got this light. I didn't even think it was gonna happen. It's super patchy, but whatever. Okay, here we are. Oh my gosh. I was a hot mess earlier. I was all over the place. That was a little stressful, but I'm gonna embrace the orange. I think it's super cute. Hey guys, so it is a new day, 2 days later to be exact. Yes, I waited a whole 2 days before going back in with some bleach. But I'm going to be bleaching my bangs again today, hoping to get the results that I originally wanted but did not get, obviously. Hopefully when I do get the blonde result that I'm hoping for, I'm gonna go in with the John Frieda purple shampoo. So this had really good reviews online, so I wanted to try it. It's very thick and very purple, so I feel like it's gonna work really well, but I'm really hoping that it turns out semi-close to what I'm hoping for. Please don't look at my nails. I ripped off my press-ons and I plan on doing them again later, but I just want to do my hair first. Which, shout out to one of my subscribers for encouraging me to try press-on nails. I love them. They're super cute and convenient. So yeah, maybe I'll show you guys that later. But yeah, let's, without further ado, let's just get freaking started. So Jesse decided to hop on his Xbox, so don't mind him.
True.
But I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out, and if I'm still not happy with it, I'm gonna apply bleach one more time. Don't try this at home. What, baby? Are you laughing at me?
Yeah.
At me?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
And you said don't try this at home.
Oh. It's getting there. Oh my gosh, it's so hot.
What is hot?
My hair.
The bleach gets it hot?
Yeah. I don't want it to break.
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Why?
Your hair is so bad.
It's not. My virgin hair, like my roots, are blonde. But all this box dyed hair is not. It's orange.
It's crazy how it turns it orange though.
I know. It's like a copper. It's so stringy. This was the before. Well, whatever. After.
I I could have pulled and all your hair would have fell off.
I look like Chucky's wife.
Yeah, you're right there, babe.
I know, but I have bleach left.
No, don't do it, baby, please.
One more time.
No, your hair is gonna fall.
It's right there. If I bleach it one more time, it'll be the color I want.
No, babe, but no, please don't do it.
So here we are. Look at the difference in hair texture from healthy to not. Falling out, none of my hair.
Well, yeah, not yet.
I literally look like... You see me right now?
Cool. You look like Cruella de Vil.
Oh my goodness.
You look like Wendy's.
Well, I'm just gonna put purple shampoo and then conditioner, and then I'm just gonna leave it like this then. I'll wait a few more days.
Chill, you're gonna wait 2 more months.
The bleach isn't gonna be good after today. I have to use it up.
I'll buy you new bleach.
Onto wet hair. My hair has to be wet? Okay. I wouldn't have blow dried it. Ta-da! Leaving in the purple shampoo for 20, maybe 30 more minutes. Oh my gosh, I am a hot mess. This is my Ratchet hair salon. Huh? Guys, come here. You wanna be in my video? You got avocado in your hair. Oh, big. So here are the final results. I never thought I was gonna finish filming this video, but I'm so glad that we are here, and we did. So, where we last left off, I actually ended up bleaching my bangs 2 more times after that. Oh my goodness. But we got to the color that I wanted, although I did damage my hair a lot, obviously. I had a lot of breakage and a lot of fallout. I'll show you guys a clip here on where I left off when I stopped bleaching my hair. Because I had so much breakage, I wasn't happy with the overall look. I really wanted some length, and then I thought, why not order some tape and extensions? It was my first time actually using tape and extensions, which was really cool because it literally saved my hair transformation. I was so happy. But these are the extensions here. I'll have these linked down below. So this is what they look like. This was the original length and color that I ended up ordering. So immediately after applying the tape and extensions, I went ahead and used Kristen S's Rose Gold Temporary Tint. Rinsed that out, and then followed by her purple conditioner. So that's what gave me this like pastel color that you're seeing here now. Overall, super happy with that. Do not recommend you try this at home. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys my results and how I got there and how we eventually did it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next impulsive decision and idea. I'll see you guys next time.